What's up, fellow citizens of the world? Jordan Patrick here and welcome to my channel. So for those of you not living in France, we've been confined here the last 5 weeks. That means that everything has been closed. We've only been able to go to work, to get groceries, go to the doctor. That's pretty much it. And for the last few days, we've now been deconfined, meaning that we have a few more liberties and we can walk a little bit further, a little bit longer. So I figured why not walk a little bit around Limoges and show you guys the Christmas lights because they just went live tonight. And I haven't seen them yet, so let's get started. On y va, c'est parti. So even though we do have a few more freedoms, we do still have to fill out this paperwork saying our reasoning for leaving our place. So it's not like everything is going back to normal. There's still plenty of things that are closed, like gyms or bars, restaurants, all that kind of stuff. It's still locked down for us. So yeah, I've got my paperwork all filled out. Super excited to wear this nice warm scarf because it is about 5 degrees Celsius, which is maybe like 39 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, it's pretty cold today. So unfortunately, it's just the lights that they have in Limoges this year. They don't have the markets because of COVID, of course. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's go. Oh, Jordan Patrick, what are you doing? Looking at the camera, you should be looking at the ground because you don't want to step on this dog shit because we are in France after all. Okay, so it is almost 5:30 and that's when the lights are supposed to go on. So anytime now, these lights up above me should start flashing. So we're going towards the center of town, towards like the old town, and that's where you should have like the best lights. So yeah, I'm really excited. Joyeux Noël. As we're getting closer to the city center, I am now installing my mask. I hope you can still hear me. Okay, we're good. Okay, so normally this is where the Christmas markets would be, and usually it's packed. You have a lot of like little meat markets and little goodies and desserts and all that kind of stuff. You also have a little ice skating. Oh, look at it, so pretty. So this place actually just reopened. So a few years ago they started renovation because they found some like old ruins underneath, and they were working on it for what seemed to be 3 years and they just finished. So now it's really beautiful, and I was so looking forward to the Christmas markets this year, but obviously that's not happening because of COVID, so it's too bad, but we'll have to wait for next year. Look at this cathedral, isn't that nice? So hard for the lighting and for the camera to adjust. So sad to see all the empty chairs because restaurants and bars are not yet open here in France. So it's so sad to see that. This is usually like a very happening, like busy place, but not now. So this here is La Mairie de Limoges, which is the city hall. And this is where I will one day become French. So I'm still waiting for my nationality, and I just got an email today saying that it's on its way. It's in the final stage, which is really good, but they are 7 months behind. So I don't know what that means exactly, but yeah, it should be soon. But this is where I will be one day becoming French American. So this street here is called Rue de la Soif, and normally there's a ton of bars out here and people drinking. It's normally like a very festive area, but like I said earlier, bars and restaurants are dead at the moment. So that's definitely one of the markets that's hurting the most right now in France. The most impacted is restoration. It's very sad to see, but it's a really nice street. Actually, in one of my other videos, I rode my bike down this street and it was full of people. So I'll link that up above if you want to check out that video. That video is in French, but I do have English subtitles. So yeah, check it out if that's something that you're interested in. I go around checking out all the bars of Limoges. Oh my gosh, it feels like it just dropped like 10 degrees in temperature. My hands are almost frozen. It feels like it's got to be close to 0 degrees right now, which is 32 Fahrenheit. But wow, yeah, super cold. But we're gonna go to our last stop right now, and that is Rue de la Boucherie, which is the oldest part of town, and it's all wooden and super nice. I talked about it in yet another video, walking around Limoges, and it's my favorite part of town, so let's go. My god, it always gets stuck. Wow, that was really nice that they had English Christmas music. I was able to sing along. It was super cute. And thank you, City of Limoges, for putting on these lights. I know that this year is a little bit crazy and it's not the same as normal. A lot less people walking around, but still very beautiful and great job. So thank you for that. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments down below what you plan to do this Christmas, because I'm actually visiting my family. I haven't seen them in over a year, so I'm gonna go quarantine with them in California. So I'm super excited about that. And I just recently filmed another video walking around the déconfinement in France, so I'm gonna link that video eventually. But yeah, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that one, and I'll see you in the next one. À la prochaine. Ciao, ciao for now. I'm so cold. You can see my breath.